Hi everyone and welcome back. Let's see question number 4, subdivision 3. The question says simplify tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta, that equals to 1 plus secant theta and cosecant theta. Okay. Now, if you convert this to sine and cos, then we can simplify this easier. Okay, so what we do is, because that is also the hint given, so we can write this as sin theta divided by cos theta, the whole thing divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta, whole thing divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. This is actually the left hand side. And the next step will be, here this one will take sin as LCM, in this one will take cos as LCM. Okay, so the next step will be, this one will be sin theta divided by cos theta, the whole thing divided by sin theta minus cos theta and divided by sin theta, and this one will be cos theta divided by sin theta, the whole thing divided by cos theta minus sin theta and whole thing divided by cos theta. Now, next step, cos will come down and sin will go up. Same thing will happen here, sin will come down and cos will go up. So, the next step will be sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now, what we can do is, we can take here in this one, we can take the minus sign outside. Okay, so if you take the minus sign outside, and this one will become sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So, if you see here, you have these two terms common, therefore, we will take them outside. I'll write the next step here, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, the whole thing into sin square theta divided by cos theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta. Now, we take these two as LCM. Therefore, the next step will be equivalent to 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, whole thing multiplied by, numerator will be sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So, what is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is actually equivalent to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So, we can convert this into this format. So, the next step will be 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, the whole thing multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta, and whole thing will be divided by sin theta into cos theta. Here these two terms will get cancelled, and this one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, the next step will be equivalent to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. That equals 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. These two terms will get cancelled and this particular part will become 1. So the next step will be, if you take 1 by sin and 1 by cos, can be written as cosecant and secant. This will be cosecant theta and this will be secant theta plus 1. And if you compare this with right hand side, you get the answer. Hope you understood the working of this particular problem. Now let's go into the next problem. Thank you.